Hi guys, welcome back to my next Pygame tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create images, load images and put them in your game. Yeah, so this is the second, no, it's like the fourth tutorial or something, I can't really remember, but anyway, no, it might be the third, I can't remember. Anyway, what I've done is, from last time we created a window, and I've stored it in that file there, and if you just want to copy and paste that, I've got exactly the same thing here. This is just called images.py. I've also made a folder called images, and I've just got the Python logo in there, looking pretty, and I just got that off the internet just for an example, and yeah, so yeah, just copy and paste that. If you haven't followed my previous tutorial, then if you don't understand this, then I recommend watch it. If you understand it and don't want to watch it, there's all the code for it. Just pause the video or something and copy that in. That's just basically a main game loop there. And so we are going to start by loading this image. So I'm just going to do it here. Make sure you load the image after you have initially done all this stuff here. So yeah, we're just going to create a variable called image, and we're going to say equals. By the way, this is probably going to be quite a short tutorial, but I will do it anyway, and just follow what I do. So you just need to say image, or you can call it whatever you want. I could call this like Python logo or something or whatever, but it really doesn't matter. And you need to open your brackets, and yeah, I'll say that. Then we are going to pass a string to this method. If you don't know what that means, well, basically it means we're going to pass a string to this variable, to this method. And for now, because we've got it in a separate folder here. You can see here we've got the images folder. We've got the image here. We are going to want to put images, which is the folder, /, don't do /, you want to do /, and then what is it called, Python logo, or you can just get this off the internet. I just searched like Python programming in Google Images and it came up with it, and it's a PNG. Yeah, okay, once you've done that, yeah, that's fine. And then the next bit, this image, we have to convert it to something that, because this image has transparency, here you can see it has transparency, so you can see through it. That's basically what it means. We have to say, we need to use a method called .convertAlpha, which will basically convert this image into an alpha format, so it keeps its transparency. So you can either create a new variable called like image with transparency or something, image transparent, and then do image.convertAlpha. That is the method. That's what it looks like, and it's just a method of this image, of this thing here. But just to save, all that code, we can just write .convertAlpha on the end of this, and that will be stored in this image variable. And so it's basically loading this image called Python logo.png, and then we're just going to convert it to alpha, so we get that transparency, and yeah, that's in this image variable. Now we've loaded it, but if I save this and run it, nothing is going to happen because we haven't blitted it to the screen, which is basically the process of copying the pixels from this variable onto the surface. So we're going to do window.blit. Remember, window is the display we've got, and we're going to do window.blit image. This takes two parameters. The first one's image, which is the image that you've got, and then it takes a tuple like that. Now, okay, it's basically what this is doing is it's getting the image, and it's putting this image like it's displaying this image at the coordinate 0, 0 on the screen, and in Python 0, 0 is like right up here in the top left hand corner, and then like since our width is 800, like over here it's 800, 0. The first coordinate is x and the second coordinate is y. You should know that from maths, because that's what it is in maths. And this is 0, 0. This is 800, 0. Not in. I'm just. Wait, I will actually show you. I'll press F5, and then we've got our image with nice transparency. Here is 0, 0, and here is 800, 0. Here is 0, 600, and here is 800, 600. Now, if that sounds confusing, think of it this way. With the x coordinates, the x starts here at 0, and it goes all the way along to 800 here. So it's like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way along to 800. And then the y is this way, and it starts at 0 here, and it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 down to 600. And yeah, the reason is that isn't right in the top left hand corner is because the image isn't like that. If you can see here, there's like lots of white stuff there, so you know it wouldn't. We could like crop it and stuff. Actually, why don't we do that? Open with paint. Okay, we'll just I never like using paint. You know what, let's use GIMP. GIMP is better. Do it with GIMP. Just close this. It's GIMP there. By the way guys, I would thoroughly recommend you download GIMP, because this enables you to create your own files. For some reason this isn't responding. Wait for it to respond. Why is it doing this? Oh, you know what? There we go, right. Where is it? GIMP. Sorry about this, guys. It doesn't normally do this. I don't know why it's... Yeah, I would thoroughly recommend you download GIMP, because it is extremely useful in game development. So, you know, or you could, if you've got like Photoshop, then you can use that. I just like GIMP because it's free. You don't have to pay hundreds of pounds for it. And why isn't this? Okay, let's just not do that. But yeah, you can see it here. It's got lots of white space. So anyway, that is basically it. I hope if you really don't understand this, then please leave me a comment. But yeah, that's basically putting an image on the surface here. It looks pretty cool. We could actually change the background color if we want. We'll make a new variable here called white. And if you remember from like last tutorial, this is an RGB value, and if we put 255, 255, 255 of every color, it's out of 255. Each color is out of 255. So like this is R, this is G, and this is B. So red, green, and blue. 0 is like there's no red, and 255 is like it's the maximum red possible. It's the same for everyone here. And just save that, and we will fill it with white instead. See what that looks like. Press F5, and yeah, we've got a white background. It's quite cool. Yeah, I think that is pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching. If you do like my tutorials, yeah, like is appreciated, and if you want more, then please subscribe. And yeah, I will see you in the next tutorial in Pygame. So, bye.